So what I really like about those egg rolls, that egg dough basically, is they're so sturdy, they're so flexible because of the gelatin. You see? Like, didn't break. With an omelette, you couldn't do that. Welcome to my life as a carnivore. Okay, so I'm heating up here my little cast iron pan, not on too much heat because it's also a little pan. I'm gonna put in some butter, nicely grease up everywhere. And now we're gonna put in a little bit of our mixture, but really just a little bit. And at the same time, I'm gonna swivel it around. Oops. So it's gonna get everywhere evenly. Now we let it sit for a little bit. As you can see, it's already firming up here on the edges. Really, it doesn't take a lot of time. I'm usually just standing here and watching it. So if you don't want to flip it, you can also just put the plate on top and then it will cook the top on it by itself without flipping it. So, but if you want to flip it, usually, because it's a cast iron pan, they get really sticky. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter in here. And let's see. I really just let it sit for several seconds, not even a minute, because it's thin. So now just take it out. And because of the gelatin in it, it's actually like really flexible. So that's why you can really nicely roll it. But we want to fill it first. And now the fun part, now we can just fill them with whatever we want. I have here some turkey, some beef short rib meat, just ground beef, Swiss cheese. Well, in Switzerland we have tons of cheese, so Swiss cheese, it's actually Emmentaler. and some cream cheese. So I am still only eating beef right now, and for sure I don't eat any cheese, so these are not for me. I'm just showing you how to prepare them. So here, this little one, I might take some of the cream cheese. Spread it out. And again, you can fill them however you want, as long as it's carnivore. Putting some of the beef rib on it, salt, or we have like big ones. You could also roll it up like this, folding the edges in, like a burrito or a spring roll. So what I really like about those egg rolls, that egg dough basically, is they're so sturdy, they're so flexible because of the gelatin. You see? Like, didn't break. With an omelette, you couldn't do that. So you can really roll it up firmly and you don't have to be careful how to handle it. So it's really nicely filled. If you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna go eat a steak now.